We will begin by making a small dot in the center of your paper called the vanishing point. Using a ruler, you will connect the vanishing point to all four corners of your paper, creating lines of perspective. In the left and right quadrant, you are going to draw 2 to 3 vertical lines on each side. You will then connect the vertical lines from the left and the right quadrants using curved lines. In the lower quadrant, you are going to draw 4 more diagonal lines. You will then draw 3 to 5 horizontal lines that get closer together as they get close to the vanishing point. As you can see, I started and made way too many lines and had to go back in and adjust. That's okay.